welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be one of the first to know. Today's video is a cooking video. Yes, if you watch my get to know me video, you know that I like cooking, I like trying out recipes. So on the menu today is shortbread biscuits. It's simple, easy to make, and just 3 ingredients, so everyone can make it. Do share your comments about what you think about the recipe. Have you tried it before? Will you try it? Thank you. We have flour, sugar, and butter. These are ingredients for the shortbread biscuit. I'll leave the full description in the description box. You add the sugar and then you mix it, not really to get it creamy as you would for cake, but then just to a consistency that you can work with. You then pour in the flour and you use your spatula to fold it in together. Then you use your hands to mix it in, and as you are mixing it, you try to get it around into a ball. I use a cling film on my board because it has a sticky surface. So if yours is good, you can just put the dough on it like that and then roll it out. You may want to roll to a consistency that you want, and bear in mind that it rises as it bakes, so you may want to roll it a little thinner. We now put in the freezer for 15 minutes so that the sugar settles, and then it's ready for cutting. "15 minutes later, I take it out of the fridge, and then I preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then I grease my pan that I'll use for baking. We are now ready to cut our shortbread into the sizes that we want. I cut mine in the signature rectangular shortbread sizes. You arrange them on your greased pan and you use a fork to make incisions on it, just like the store-bought ones. Our oven is heated by now, so we place it on the top rack for 15 to 20 minutes. Our shortbread biscuit is now done, and we take it off the racks and put it down to cool. And it's ready to eat. Look at it, so beautiful, crunchy, and milky. Try it and let me know how it goes. So crunchy, yummy.